No. Ojaga. Never is not able to lodge with the end. I got told you Tata Umbe. Tata Misike. Tata Onanya. Tata Oba. I got Yambasimpo. Kaya Mbosuri. Kaya Nafo. Tapa Square now. I know you're in now, my God. Yamgazuania. Sitena. Chikoki Kapia.
We the elders, we are running sleepless night. And that is why we came to see you, to seek your permission, and also suggest that we go to Umeze Kingdom to see a possible means to avert this predicament that has happened in this our kingdom.
I understand how you all feel. I am more worried than you are. But that does not mean that we have to go outside our land and seek for solution when our SMO is yet to speak.
Your Highness, the silence of SMO is what prompted our move to seek for solution.
If what you are about to say has to do with seeking solution, then there will be no point. If any of you has anything to say it now. Your silence means that you have nothing to say.
Ewo.
This meeting is over.
Ewo.
I said this meeting is closed. You are here to seek for solution. When you have the answer to the solution in your hands, our SMO is yet to speak, and you want to invite another SMO from another land. What arrant nonsense.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, woman. I can see you're coming from the farm with products given to you by the gods.
Yes, Your Majesty. I thank the gods for a fruitful harvest.
Yes. Will the king be asking for too much if I demand that you give me those yams?
Not at all, Your Majesty.
Good. Get the yams.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Get the yams.
Sorry, Your Majesty.
I said get the yams.
The anger of the gospel, the anger of talk because the power where you dey use on a person giving you. Every day now for the thief, one day now for the owner. There's no good down, there's no good down. Be careful.
Hey, you don't look bright. What's the problem? What about the yam you said you went to bring from the farm?
Don't pick up. Just give me water to drink.
What?
You said it's too much.
Okay. Mama, you still haven't answered my question.
Hi.
What happened?
My daughter. On my way back from the farm, I met the king and his guards taking a walk.
Okay.
When I saw them, I greeted him. He answered me very well. The next thing he said to me was, I can see that you were blessed by the gods with your farm products. I said yes, that I thank the gods. As I meant to take a step away from him, he called me back and said, can I see what you're having in your basket? I brought him the yam tubers. He just commanded one of his guys to take the yam tubers from my basket, which they did. And they took a walk away from me. I stood there thinking he was just playing pranks on me. They never looked back. I stood there like a fool. When I looked left and right and I did not see anybody, I had to start coming back home.
He left with the yam.
All of them took the whole yam tubers away.
I don't understand. Why would the king behave like that?
I don't know. I am as surprised as you are. I said I stood there looking at him thinking they would turn back and smile. They never did.
This is really strange. Strange things are beginning to happen in this kingdom. I don't understand, honestly.
Biko Mom, have you finished cooking? So I can eat at least. Let me just eat.
I've finished cooking the soup. I want to pound the yam now.
Would that yam be enough for us? Because I was thinking about the time I come back, maybe you cut some from one of the yam tubers and cook, add to the one we have.
Don't worry, Mama. We will manage.
It will be enough for us. Can you see now? Oh?
I don't find it, I don't understand it. Baba. You take one. Both of them. Take all of them.
Uchendu! Uchendu, my friend, why is your face like this now? This one you're filled with so much pain. Hope there is no problem.
Obidike, my friend, what I can't explain happened today. Even the gods will be wondering why it happened.
What you cannot explain happened today. Even the gods will be wondering. That means it's very critical. Hope there is no fire on the mountain. If there is, please tell me. Let me know if I will jump or I will fly.
Had it been his fire, it would have been better. Obidike, my friend, I was coming back from Nkweze market with the goods that my father said I should go and buy. When I saw the king and his guards, which I paid my royalty to them. And he requested for my goods, and I gave them. I don't even know what to tell my father.
Wait, they requested for your good just like that?
Just like that too, my friend, just like that.
Indeed, this is strange. How come the king of Umolu that is supposed to give to the people is not the one collecting from them? So my friend, what are you going to tell your father that happened to the goats?
my friend, I don't even know what to tell him. I will just look for something and tell him. I don't know. I will see you later. I'll see you later. I have to go. Uchendu. Uchendu. How I wish my father was the new of this community. I would have opened my mouth to tell him that this thing is doing to the people is evil.
The anger of the gospel, the anger of the gospel, the power where you they use on a person giving you. Every day now for the thief, one day now for the owner.
Did I do? Greetings. Greetings. Greetings.
Greetings, beautiful maiden. How are you? You don't look bright. Is anything the matter?
I'm fine.
Or perhaps the sun is too hot for you to go to the stream?
Yes. The sun is hot.
I can understand. So, may I know your name?
My name is Uloma. I'm Ngozi, daughter of Ichi.
Greetings, my friend.
Greetings.
Ugo, Alpha. Kekwan.
We'll see later.
You haven't said your name.
I'm Ugoma.
Oh, Ugoma. Okay, good. Beautiful names for beautiful maidens. You may continue. I can understand your pain, huh?
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Go now. Hey!
Papa?
I'm going to the palace for a meeting.
Okay, Papa.
Take care of the house.
Okay, Papa.
Yeah.
Hey, be careful, oh.
Women, what brings about this whipping in my palace? I'm asking you!
Your Majesty, her daughters have been kept inside the palace cell. What are this? Your Majesty, what have we done? What have we done to deserve this?
The crime you have committed is your failure to give your daughters good training as responsible mothers.
Your Majesty, I gave my daughter a good upbringing. A mother who could be the child.
No, you did not. Because if you did, your daughter would not be rude and disrespectful as to speak ill of the king. Now for your information, they have 3 more days to stay in that cell, of which the last 2, they will go starving. I believe this will serve as a deterrent for the rest of them out there.
Your Majesty, our daughters will die. Our daughters will die if they don't eat.
The gods are already waiting for their spirits. Now go home. As a matter of fact, you're not going home. Take them to the cell.
Your Majesty,
for disturbing the peace of this palace. Take them to the cell.
take them to the cell.
What am I seeing? Hey! What that shall never end. No, Juma. Is it what you do here? Hey! I will tell the youth leader. Wait for me, I will tell the youth leader. Hey!
Hey, this kid. Hey, my father will kill me today. Oh, God.
Please, come here.
Hey, God. You don't want my father.
Come here now.
Leave me alone. You don't understand.
This girl will not do anything.
Fuck about I know this girl.
Don't worry. This girl will not do anything. Don't worry. See, let me tell you. The youth leader is my friend though, in this village. Don't panic. What's wrong with you? Why are you panicking like this, man? Eh? Are you a kid?
Hi.
Come, let's go and finish this thing, I beg. See. The youth leader is my friend though. Come here, man.
Calamities are increasing in our kingdom day by day. And some of these unorthodox happenings are caused by people like both of you. We must keep this kingdom safe by meting out the appropriate punishment to culprits like you. Therefore, guards, take them to the palace cell till I pass my judgment.
Yes, Your Highness. Please pardon my son.
Shut up!
Please, please, I'm not going to do it again.
Igwe, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my Igwe.
Take them out! Out!
Igwe, please.
Who gave you the audacity to talk while I am still talking? And you're still standing there. Get out of my presence.
Your Highness, please, take it easy. Just calm down.
I don't look worried, do I?
Not at all, my Majesty.
You will all gather tomorrow at the village square. You may go home now.
I am the only one. I have never seen my king with this type of anger in his life.
I wonder why.
Even when we ask him, our king, why must he go around the community collecting things from the people?
This is quite unusual of him.
Hey.
Well, the gods understand.
I think so. And I believe so. This is not the king to come.
I'm worried, honestly. I'm seriously worried. I wonder what the king's judgment tomorrow will look like.
My dear, I'm also worried about that because nobody knows what will be in the king's mind.
It's according to my father. They're not supposed to be punished severely.
Yes.
Because they are not married yet. If it were to be the case of married people, they will be stripped naked and dance around the kingdom.
Yes.
May the gods show mercy.
I pray so. The deed has been done though. All we should do is to ask the gods to pardon them.
Exactly.
My dear, that is our prayers from the gods. Please, let's go.
Good day.
Guys, yes, I must excuse us. This one. My queen, tell me who has offended you?
You have offended me and you know it. How could you have passed a dirt sentence on those two? Where have you sold your conscience, Igwe Azubike?
I am still your husband. Speak to me with decorum.
You were no longer the husband that I married. How could you pass a dirt sentence, be so wicked to pass a dirt sentence on Ozo and Ujunwa? What a quiet transformation, Igwe.
Enough, woman! Enough! Why is everyone acting as if I passed the wrong judgment on innocent people?
Your Highness, everybody admits the fact that they've committed a crime, but not on passing a dirt sentence on those two. The whole kingdom is not happy with you. I, your wife, I'm not happy with you. You're no longer the loving husband that I married.
Now go back to your chamber before you make me lose my temper.
Losing your temper on me, your wife, by sentencing me to death like others? But I just came to tell you that I don't like the wicked husband that I'm seeing in you.
Now leave my presence. I said leave my presence.
Have a good day, Your Majesty.
What has this woman become all of a sudden? Now you want to play the king, no longer the queen. Don't worry, I will tell you what you've committed as a sin.
Chairman, we really understand how you feel and we are sorry about it. We the elders are seriously shocked. We are shocked at the sudden change of our king. This is not the king we all met. You are an insider. You know that things have gone wrong. I beg of you, just hold yourself. We are sorry.
To tell you how devastating it is, he did not inform me more before taking that drastic action. My only child. He has decided because of wickedness to remove him. Saying he's correcting tradition.
What tradition? Ichie, we are all in the cabinet. What tradition that we don't know in this our kingdom? We will look into this. But we don't know who the thing will befall again, okay?
Alright. I thank you for coming.
We the elders, we will not relent until we found out. We must dig to the bottom of this particular tunnel and see what is wrong.
Yes.
We don't know who will be the next victim. Yes. So because no, we'll look into it.
Take care. Forever. Hello. I think he has forgotten the good old days.
the house of the prince. Mama! 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 Who's after you? Eh? Where are you running from?
Mama?
Why are you not joking?
Mama?
What is it? Eh?
Nnamdi is dead.
What happened to him?
Some villagers find him in the bush, lying down there. Traces in Krali on his mouth.
Hey! Oh! 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 Nnamdi! Hey! Nnamdi must have committed suicide. Eh? As a result of the death of Uju and what's his name? Nonso? Eh? Ha! They shouldn't have. Eh? Hey! Hey, whoa!
But Mama, why will he take his own life? Yes, I know all the villagers are not happy with him. Yes. But
oh boy, it's okay. It's okay, my son, you will not understand. My water. Nnamdi. I can't help you prepare this thing. I'm only at first. Yeah, no, your mate is lying there at the bush now.
Your Highness.
What are you trying to do? Will you just keep standing until I tell you to sit? And to what do I owe this, your visit?
Igwe, we are here to know the reason why you killed the child of Ichechema. He is one of us in this palace.
Who are you to question my authority in this kingdom? I'm asking you!
Your Highness, Ichechema is one of the cabinet members in this palace, and you should be accorded with respect.
You want to know why I killed this child?
Yes. I suggest you go and see Ichechema. It's very necessary. You gonna watch it?
You stop there. Did I ask you to leave?
We have finished what
you want to know why I killed this child? I am the only one who the God tells who to kill. So I am the one that decides even your own fate. Now, lie them down and start flogging. Yes, go down! You people think I'm afraid? Flog them! Now, all of you. I said I said leave my presence. Hey, and you know, stop there. That's your land at Obani River. I don't ever want to see you there again. I'm converting it to my farmland. Now you can go.
of the gospel, the anger of the gospel, the power where you they use on a person giving you. Every day now for the thief, one day now for the owner. There's obodan, you go be careful. The gods are hungry, the gods are hungry.
I don't understand, Papa. Why would he go beat you up like this?
Already beat up, will I complain? Flogging with machete is different from beating up. Oh.
They don't know that you are the owner.
Also no.
I'm taking it easy. I'm taking it easy.
Obina, you say you're not working with Igwe. Obina, is easy. Not me here. Obina. Obina, check.
I'm taking it easy now.
Obina, check. I'm sorry.
But I don't understand. How can the Igwe just order the guys to beat you up like this? You are even the owner of this community.
Also beat. Or any hair kakro. If it is beat, I will manage it. You are talking about machete flogging. Oh no, don't cry.
I'm taking it easy.
Oh no, don't cry. You're complaining about Igwe. The one you're doing me here is more than the one Igwe is doing.
Nah, but I'm trying to save your life.
I will not cry.
Anyase.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You are my chief guard, and I trust you. I want to ask you a question, and I expect an honest answer from you. Am I an evil king like people say?
Not at all, Your Majesty.
Now I want you to do this. If you find anybody speaking against the king, arrest him or her and put them in the cell and draw my attention. You will be rewarded handsomely.
As pleases, Your Majesty.
You are a good servant and you deserve the best.
Thank you, Your Majesty, for further placing your heart to trust me, sir.
You may go back to your duty.
Nne m lọọla anya na-afụ mmụọ mmọnwụ ndị ụmụọlụ ji aga njem na-eje na anyị nọ nso ọ bịara ebe onye abịagbu na ya mgbe ọ gara mkpukpe ekwo na ya ọ ya ka a na-eme ife kwuru ka a na-eme I can see them coming. They're on their way. And we are waiting for them. You've come to know why the calls are silent.
That is one of the reasons we are here.
They see everything. They will definitely speak when the time comes.
Ezemo, when will be the time? When will that due time come? Strange things are happening in our kingdom. We are dying.
Like I said before, they will speak at their own due time.
Ezemo, yes, I know. But please, you are the eyes of the gods. Let us know when the due time will come. At least notify us in time so that we will be ready. So that we will be ready.
The gods! must be appeased. Go! 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 Look more.
I heard that the king ordered that Nnamdi's dead body should be thrown into the evil forest.
I saw them last night, heading to the evil forest to throw his remains.
Uchendu, what is happening to our kingdom? Why could the king be so cruel to his people?
He used to be a very good man. Very good man. But his sudden change of attitude to the people of Umun is very, very suspicious. Only the gods knows.
With time, the gods will come to our aid. But before then, we just have to be careful not to cross King Azubike's path. Because the last time I set my eyes on that man's face, all I could see in its eyeballs was nothing but danger and wickedness. That's all I could see in him.
Evil, evil, evil. Evil, evil, evil. Evil.
I call this meeting to intimate all of you that henceforth none of you should ever suggest to me about seeking solution of what is happening in our land elsewhere.
But Igwe,
but what? I am the king and this is my kingdom. My decision is final. This meeting is over. Now all of you out of here. Bring my presence, all of you. Are you still standing here? Arrant nonsense. Who gave you the audacity to talk when I have said that the meeting is over?
Ugebe.
Obi. How far now? How you doing?
As you can see, I'm fine.
You're not looking bad in this village.
Did you say what you want to say?
There's something I want to ask you. I just heard it though. Is it true that the king ordered his guards to flog your father and the shows?
My sister, that's how I saw it. My father came back the other day and was shouting Ukumo, Ukumo. I was like, nah, what's the problem? He said the Igwe ordered the guards to beat him up. I was like asking him, father, because I was angry. For me to see my father, I was very angry. I was asking him, father, so why would the Igwe, he said I should forget about why the Igwe ordered the guards, that I should just touch him and make his body, I have to save my father's life. That's what I did.
But my question is, what would have made Igwe to order his guards to flog his own cabinet members?
For the Igwe to order the guards to beat up my father, who is the owner of this community, means even the elders and villagers are not safe.
My dear, you are not safe, bro.
So,
Hey.
Didi, as you can see, I'm heading somewhere. Maybe later.
Bye bye, yo. Bye bye.
Ezemo, what message did you bring from the gods this time?
Igwe, a dangerous storm is about to fall on this kingdom. And when it does, I am scared. Its result will not be palatable.
Ezemo, you are the eyes of the gods. You are the mouthpiece of the gods of this land. You commune with the gods. Tell us what to do.
Yes, Ezemo. You are in the best position to tell us what to do now.
Igwe, retrieve your steps. You are treading on a dangerous path. Many ways. Do not fill the basket.
Ezemo, go back to your shrine and consult the gods on how to avert this dangerous, destructive storm looming.
He who thinks he's leading and has no one following is only taking a walk. I beg to take my leave.
Yeah.
Evil, oh, evil, oh, evil. 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 Evil, oh, evil, oh, evil.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings.
Come back here.
Your Highness.
Who are you?
My name is Ugoma. I'm from this village.
So it's you.
No!
Nonye, Mercy, I'm tired. Let's leave this thing now. Or still, once we are done with this one, let's leave this thing till tomorrow.
Continue, we're almost done. Tomorrow we'll do the basket.
But me, I don't have that strength and I'm tired. I'm hungry too.
I know. Continue.
There's something I want to tell you yesterday. But I was not sure yesterday, that's why I kept it to myself. But today I think I'm sure.
I know it must be gossip, but continue.
Nonye, what do you mean now? Are you not calling me a gossip? Eh? Okay, but you know what? I'm not saying anything again. Leave me alone.
It's okay now. Can't I play with you?
Play? That night was too expensive.
I know, I'm sorry. Massive,
Go
massive.
away, Joe. Oh, Seth, you want to even listen?
I'm sorry now.
See, calm down, I beg you. See, on my way to the market yesterday, I heard that the king's guards, in fact not guards, arrested Ada and Ndidi. And the reason for that was because they were saying ill things about the king.
Please, each time, don't even raise any topic about the king. Please, Mercy, please, I'm begging you. Don't even raise any topic about the king whenever I'm with you. Please, I don't want to get into trouble.
What's your problem? I just told you what I heard and now you're facing me. What is this now?
See how you're narrating it as if you were there.
Okay, even if I wasn't, but an eyewitness told me, so what's the problem?
Mercy, please, I'm going. My mother will be looking for me.
Nonye, just like that. Don't you help me out now?
Don't worry, do it.
Don't be a wicked friend now. You come now. Nonye, it's not fair. Oh, how wish I knew. I won't have said anything to her. Mercy, your mouth. Hi. Now I'm not left to do everything all by myself. See, I will keep myself full. Anyway I do this in Narita, I'll just leave it.
My sister, what is the problem? Talk to me. I'm your brother.
Ikenna, you won't understand.
Yes, because he didn't tell me. I might be of help.
Ikenna!
Mama!
Ikenna!
Mama, I'm here.
What are you doing here? What are you doing already?
Mama, if you go.
What is wrong with that? Huh? Try and help me finish breaking the firewood. I want to speak with you. Let me speak with my daughter. Come on. Come on, Jeff. What is it now? What is the matter? What is it? Talk to your mother. I'm here.
For some time now, I've been having terrible nightmares.
Terrible nightmares?
Yes, I can't even explain it. Very scary.
Nightmares? What is the dream about? At least tell me the ones you remembered.
I always see the king trying to kill me in my dream.
Igwe?
He comes with different weapons.
Izuku, you see him and you recognize him?
Of course, don't I know the king?
Hey, this is not good. How come? You have to do it. My daughter, please. From today onward, I want you to be very careful. Especially out there. You have to be careful with people you talk with, what you say to them and what they say to you in return. And I want you to be mindful of anybody or anything that has to do with Igwe. At least, let us avoid that side. Oh? Am I cleared?
I've heard you.
No, your face is still not bright. Am I making sense?
And I said I've heard you.
Was the dream really scary? Huh? Was it very scary?
Mama, have I not told you? I said yes.
If it is scary, then make me understand that you heard me.
Your Highness. Guards, leave us. King Azebike, what is going on?
What do you mean?
What have the people of this land done to deserve such treatment from you? You arrest the youth, the mothers, and lock them up in your self-made cell. I'm not even talking about the youth that you locked up and sentenced to death. A case you were meant to pardon. Your Highness,
You're no longer the loving husband that I married. I only see the beast in you.
I will not take the insult from you anymore. That cell over there doesn't exempt anybody, irrespective of your position in this kingdom. Now go back to your chamber before you make yourself a victim. Go!
I know the pain you feel. I know what you are going through as a here now. But there is nothing anyone can do about it now. There is nothing.
Why is the king that wicked? Why is it this wicked?
Biko, another ear must not hear this. Biko, if the king finds out that you tagged him wicked, he will ask for your head. And I'm not ready for that. Don't utter it again.
Mama, I don't care. I don't care because this is pure wickedness. Just tell me, what did they do? What exactly? That he can't forgive them. Rather, he asked that they should be stoned to death. This is wickedness. Why? What's their offense? Just tell me.
It's okay, Mom.
What's their offense?
It's okay.
How can they be stoned to death?
Shh, I have told you. No other ear must hear this. And besides, this battle is for the gods. Let the gods fight for themselves. Let them decide. It's not for us to say. Your head is still important to me. Don't go out there and utter this. Let it be.
Wickedness, wickedness.
My daughter, it's time for you to be fortified against the battle ahead. No matter how long the night, dawn will break. It's almost done. Come, my daughter. Come. Come. Come.
Who are you? Who are you? And what battle are you talking about?
Hey, Auntie Ngozi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So where is your auntie?
She's at home, Auntie Ngozi.
Okay. Please, you people should be careful, okay?
Okay.
Do fast and go home.
Alright.
To this house.
You're welcome. Let me get you.
Oh, no. Don't bother, my brother. I am looking for one maiden, Ugomma. I don't know if I'm in the right place.
Yes, my prince. You're in the right place. Ugomma, she's my sister. She went out to her friend. She'll soon be back.
Okay. In that case, I will come back.
Oh, here she comes.
Greetings, my friend.
Greetings, beautiful lady. How are you?
Fine. Yeah, so what do we owe this royal visit?
Nothing much. Just paying a visit to a new friend I met some days ago. Is it wrong for me to do?
No. Ikenna, please go and get me a better seat.
Okay. Oh, don't bother. It's okay. I'll be on my way now back to the palace.
Okay. Hope there's no problem.
Oh no. Why don't you walk me to a distance?
Okay, no problem.
Such an amazing person.
Thank you, my friend.
And I am beginning to have more interest in you. I hope I am not in a haste.
Well, thanks for making your intentions known. But I already have someone.
Someone? Is that someone from this kingdom? I mean, is there any bachelor eligible enough, and what more being with than myself, the prince? There is nobody. That's the plain truth. Ugomma.
My prince, I need to run along because I have to cook for my mother before she returns.
Okay. Alright, I will see you again. There's no eligible bachelor in this community. What more than staying with than myself to say. Okay? See you again.
You just speak up.
One of the maidens.
She had better not escape, else your body will be served for dinner.
On the contrary, the maiden is dead.
What?
Well, send message across to the family to come and collect her corpse.
Yes, my king.
Really? Is that all you have to say? What has become of you, my king? You're not the husband that I married. It is manipulating you, my king.
Shut up, woman.
Good day, Your Majesty.
Hello, Ugomma. Ugomma.
Yes?
Please, the present.
The prince. Noya, please just take this home for me. Fast, take it home. Babes. Just excuse me. Let me take it home.
How are you?
I'm fine. What do you want from me, please?
Who doesn't want to mingle with royalty?
I, Ugomma, I do not want to mingle with your type because you don't seem to show remorse on the evil your father perpetrates in this kingdom.
How dare you? How dare you stand in my presence and speak of my father like that?
Why won't I stand in your presence and talk about him this way? Just tell me why. Your father announced death sentence on 2 people for no reason, on a pardonable offense. 2 maidens were locked up in the palace cell for no reason. One was stabbed to death and the other is still at the palace cell. Yet you did not say anything about it. You sit and feel so comfortable about it. You did not show single remorse, and you expect all the villagers to be clapping for your family. It is not possible.
If not for the feelings I have for you, this never happened. I can see you have guns.
Papa!
Did she just walk out on me?
The anger of the gospel, the power where you they use on a person giving you. Every day now for the thief, one day now for the owner. Be careful. The gods are angry, the gods are angry. Umwaka no kwa no John and dinne no nakwa. The elders na bosandu eze mwamugo.
You think I'm wonderful, man? You know how wicked that thing is.
You shouldn't have done that to him. What will he do? What will the king do? See, the least he will do is to lock me up in the palace cell and nothing more. Go, Mama. I'm not bothered about that. Why should I be bothered?
Go, Mom. Don't get yourself into trouble. I'm begging you. Everybody knows who that king is.
If the king comes after you, don't involve me.
And why are you kneeling down? You will never go to the land now.
Ikeda, don't be a coward. Don't be a coward. I only told him the truth to his face. And I will keep telling him the truth.
Ugom, it's okay. Just take it easy, Biko One. Take it easy. I'm begging you.
I should take it easy.
Everybody knows who that king is.
Ugom, I will keep telling him the truth, whether he likes it or not. I will always say the truth. That's it.
Ndi elda kuleku, ndi negwalogi, manisi ni weza wanam. Negodi, odogu sina.
Ugo, a lot of that was. You know that after the incident yesterday, here's what happened.
Incident? What incident?
Between you and Prince Olisa now.
What happened?
Do you know that the prince went straight to the palace and set the girls free? Are you for real? Yes, now. He did that. Oh my word!
That means I actually talked sense into him.
Exactly. And how you would do anything for the sake of a maiden his heart beats for.
I don't understand.
The prince is beginning to find interest in you.
In me?
Yes, now.
The gods forbid. Biko, not me.
Ugo, why would the gods forbid? Won't you like to be addressed as Princess or Queen Sunday? See, everyone likes royalty.
I know everyone likes royalty, but not in the family of Igwe Azubike. May I cease to breathe the day I open my heart to love in that family.
Ugo, stay like that. You never can tell.
I have told you, I will never have anything to do with that family. I will never.
Look at me. Hey, Ugo, yes now.
Honestly, I don't understand what is happening in this kingdom. What is going on? What kind of a beast is ruling us in the name of a king? What kind of person is that? Hey, he's so evil-hearted. He's so wicked. He's full of hate. Mama,
do you want to kill us all? Hey, Goma, bring down your voice. How dare you speak ill about our king? Our own king.
Because I don't care. I don't care. I don't speak evil of a good man. I only speak evil of an evil man. He is wicked. Should we all die in silence and in fear?
Hey.
It's time somebody tell him what he's doing.
Ugoma! I can see you've lost your mind again.
Indeed.
Look, let me tell you. Nahabo, Ajadi here. There is no hair in this armpit.
Hey.
Let's go! Let's go, Biko.
Let's go. So you girls are scared. You're scared of speaking up. You're scared of saying the truth. I am not scared of anybody. And I'll keep saying the truth.
Nonsense.
Ikenna. Huh? So, your sister, Ugoma, had the gall to challenge the prince. Hey! Not even thinking of what the king could do to her.
My friend, my mother and I have found a such ghost. To be honest with you, she endangered our lives.
Truly she did. But come to think of it, Do you know, to my greatest surprise, the king have not done anything about it. The king that will know very well, that will not take the matter lightly with her, just kept quiet. All the way go.
Likewise, let's suspend this discussion for now because you don't know what the king has in mind.
Your sister is making a very big mistake. She's not even thinking of that tyrant people.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings.
I was at your place and your brother told me you went to the farm.
Yes, that's true. I was actually coming back from the farm.
And what are you still doing here?
I'm sorry, my prince. Go. I'll see you later.
I was having a word with him.
And you would rather have the prince, the crown prince of this kingdom, stand until you finish with that commoner?
This is one thing I don't like about you. You look down on people. You make them feel as if they are not worth living.
Do not worry. By the time you finally become my bride, you will know how royalty tastes.
Prince Olisa, I wasn't joking when I told you that I'm not interested in the royal house.
Why don't you swallow your pride? Why don't you swallow your pride and welcome the goodness from the gods? I want you to visit me at the palace tomorrow.
I will look for a time to come.
Sure you will. See you then.
The earlier you stop fooling yourself and realize that I am not interested, the better for you.
Look at Afam, whom you said would be graduated, still filing his matches.
Afam, my friend, what have you been doing here? You don't even have whom you said that have been keeping you on bed.
Look who is talking. Afam, what have you been? As if you're blind. You don't see I am piling my machete. Huh? Please wait for me.
You see, Uche won't allow me to eat very well, safe.
Because I thought you'd be waiting for us as usual.
Uchendu, thank the gods you know I am the one who has been waiting for you all this while. If you wait for me today, it's not a sin. Obulonjo, wait, I am almost done, Biko.
Don't tell me Ugoma sneaked into your house last night.
Demma, don't think of that.
You can't cease to amaze me. I wish what you just said is the truth. I wish I am living here with Ugoma as my wife. I would have been the happiest man on earth. But that cannot happen. You know why? I now have a rival. Prince Olisa is making advances at her. I'm afraid I might lose her to him.
Don't tell me you are losing hope so soon. Ugoma knows her choice. If you are hers, she won't accept the prince's proposal.
Afam, wait on Ugoma's response. Don't rush.
I know. I am not rushing. But you know that our king is a tyrant. A tyrant who can go after everything he wants. Not even your goat, your everything.
You have nothing to worry about. Please, we need to head to the farm.
We can make hypo.
Please, let's go to the one at Uzommiri, so that we can harvest orange on our way back. Shaki, you know you like orange.
You are like my orange.
If I talk about orange, you're not going to make it.
I'm tired. This one is not too much. There's something that's eating me up. What could that be? And I think this is the right time to talk about it. What could that be? Relax now, calm down. Calm down. Ngozi, have you noticed something about Ugumma?
Something like what?
Ngozi, are we cursed?
What do you mean by that?
Ngozi, are we cursed? Tell me.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Ngozi, haven't you noticed how all the men in this village are flocking around Ugumma? Haven't you?
You and who are cursed? May the gods forbid. So you're telling me you're jealous of our own friend because men are lusting after her? Hey!
Ngozi. Ngozi, are we not her friends?
So?
If you are not cursed, have any man, both crippled or dwarf, ever come to you to say hi? Talk more of you even saying no to the person or rejecting the person. If you are not cursed, tell me why.
Olema, calm down. It is her turn and it is her time. So wait for your own time, okay? Don't be jealous.
It is her time.
Yes.
How old are you? Wait till you grow old in your father's house. Then you know when your time will come. Look at this girl. I even thought you are my friend. I can't even tell you little secrets and you hold it for me. See the way you are shouting around the village. Nonsense.
Hey! It's jealous because of her own friends. Jealousy, jollof rice. You're envious of your own friends because men are lusting after her. Wait for your own time.
Please, you have to give me some time to think about it. It's marriage we are talking about.
Goma, you know I've been waiting for a long time now, and you refuse to say something. Now the prince has started coming after you.
The prince shouldn't be your problem. Nobody will force me to do what I don't want to do.
Gom, honestly, I can't wait for the days things will work out between us.
Same here. I can't wait too, because you're an amazing person.
Thank you. Words alone cannot describe how beautiful and charming you are. Your smile melts my heart, Ugum. You are like my heart in human form.
I feel flattered.
I am honest. I sincerely love you.
Thank you very much. But I have to go now, please.
I hope to see you soon. Let me see you off.
You need to, don't worry.
Send my regards to your sister and your brother. She's my wife already.
Amaka, am I really this ugly?
Opakomaka, what do you mean?
Answer me now. No, Amaka, I really want to ask, eh? Amaka, take a look at me. Why is it that despite everything I've done, I cannot get a man from this kingdom approaching me? Do you know I went as far as even getting expensive clothes? Just look for yourself now. Still, no man has walked up to me. What is my crime now?
Mmasi, calm down.
Your problem is that you worry too much. Calm down and stop throwing yourself at men. It will only make you look cheaper in their eyes. As for me, I have not seen any man in this village that will make me throw myself at him.
So Amaka, now I'm not desperate. Abi? Okay, now let me tell you, in case you don't know, since you are the maidens of this kingdom, now we are young and vibrant. We need young men that will come up or still get married to us. See, I don't know for you. I don't know for you. But you see me, Mercy, this season, I repeat, this season will not pass me. I must get a man for myself. I don't know for you. I've told you my own finish.
Mercy,
what?
Are you that desperate?
Okay, you know what? Since I'm not the desperate one here, no problem. Just stand still. I will go get you a seat there. Sit down. Get more fat before you get married. No.
Don't talk to me like that, though. Forget the fact that I do talk. If you try me, I will take that and be with you.
Peace be unto this royal household.
Peace be with you too, Ezemo. A mole does not appear in the daytime unless something is after it. Ezemo, to what do I owe this visit?
Igwe, the time has come. The time is due for the cleansing as demanded by the gods, alongside with the dancing festival. These are the only two ways the gods can be appeased. Pick a day for the cleansing and another day for the dancing festival.
And what are we required to present for this cleansing to take place?
A black he-goat, a cock, 5 tubers of yam, 7 seeds of alligator pepper, and 10 kola nuts. Igwe, these are the requirements for the cleansing, but I will not do the cleansing alone. Onowu and 2 elders will accompany me on the process. But remember, the villagers must be in their houses on the day of the cleansing.
When is this cleansing going to take place?
It shall be done in 4 market days.
If this will appease the gods, let's proceed immediately. After all, solution is what we've been looking for all this while.
In that case, Ono, go and find the town crier and tell him to announce this to the entire kingdom about the new development.
Consider it done, Your Majesty.
I beg to take my leave. Igwe.
Mama, just wait for the day and bring all of them. No, no, thank you. Leave with me.
Oh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my son. Who are you?
My name is Afam. I'm a friend to Goma.
Ugonkem?
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Is she at home? I bought her this gift.
You bought gifts for my daughter?
Yes.
Hey, she's not at home. I set her on an errand, but she will be back very soon. Maya, get the gift from him and get Afam to sit down.
Okay. No need for that, Mom. I'll be going home now. I have something very important to attend to.
So you won't sit down to eat? Maybe. Or drink something?
Mama, next time I'll come, I'll eat your food. Just send my regards to Goma.
I'll give it to her. I'll give it to her. Ma, tell him thank you now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Just leave her for me, yeah? I'll come next time and eat your food. Don't problem.
I'll deliver your message. So thank you very much. Check out before with
He is nothing to me. He's just a friend.
Ugomo. Mama. Hey! You know you're not longer a child. Hmm? Look at page 1 here. You're now a full grown lady. And let me tell you, once a young man starts to bring gifts to a young maiden, that means he has good intentions for her. Hmm? Or has he made his plans known to you? What was it?
Mama, the truth is he has. Hey. But the problem is, I don't feel anything for him.
Love. Love is always blind. Omarife. But my daughter will advise that you take your time. Meanwhile, play along with him. Because you don't know, maybe along the line, you will get to fall in love with him. Or better still, you can give him a little chance to see what he will become to you.
Mama, I've tried. It's not working. Maybe I should just go to him and warn him to stop bringing gifts to me.
Don't. Don't be in a hurry. It is not done like that. Calm down. Don't make a hasty decision. Why you're going? Just play along with him, just like I said. You get what I mean? Sometimes, if it comes with gifts, you smile. Other times, you frown. Sometimes you smile and frown. That's how we did it in our own time. Until you know what to dictate your own heart. You don't just say no outright. You know, go on.
I don't know. I will try.
I want to jump. Can't give me water to drink. I want to jump. Hey.
Gods of our land, please help me. I don't want to lose Ugoma.
Yeah, everything is fine. Okay. Nai, please, there is something we came to ask you. Okay. And we came to you because we know elders in the royal cabinet. Nai, please, there's this information about the festival being scheduled at the village square. Yes, Nai.
The one that's coming up soon?
Yes, Nai.
Okay, festival. Everybody's talking about festival. Anyway, my daughters, the festival is done in our kingdom after a thorough cleansing has been made. So on the day of that festival, the maidens, they will all come out in mass and dance. Okay. Yes. And as they are dancing, the royal family will be there to watch the event.
But I heard that this festival too is also an opportunity for the prince to pick himself a wife. Is it true?
Well, my daughters, in some cases, the prince will come and select or pick a wife from the maidens.
Okay, thank you, Nai.
You're happy now, eh?
Yes, Nai, you're fine.
You know that question?
No, you're fine.
Go now.
Yes, Nai.
And I'm even later.
No, thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
What is it? What are you up to this time?
My little secret. Don't worry, my dear friend.
Master, whatever plan you have, pray to the gods it works for you.
Oh, please! Don't wish me ill luck. What is your problem? Please, just leave me be.
Hey, Chere. Hey, no now. You are my friend, Mercy, and I will always mean well for you, okay? Switch you off now.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, Prince Ulisa.
Afam, I need not to remind you that I am the crown prince of this great kingdom and should be accorded maximum respect.
But I have not disrespected you.
You're talking when I'm talking?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Better. So as I was saying, I am not supposed to fight over anything whatsoever with anyone in this kingdom. I hope you know what I am talking about, or you want to pretend that you don't know. Okay, let me give you a clue. I want you to disassociate yourself with everything that has to do with Ugoma. Have I made myself clear?
But my prince, the maiden you're talking about is no more a child. Ugoma is not a baby. At her age, she should know what she wants. Moreover, my prince, butterfly chooses where to perch.
Oh, really?
Yes, my prince.
You dare me? You dare challenge me?
I'm sorry. Don't misquote me, my prince.
I can see you have gods. But let's see where that leads you to.
Talking about Ugoma, right?
Exactly. Every time you Ugoma this, Ugoma that. You imagine?
I don't even know why the god chooses to punish us with a wicked king and an arrogant prince.
Which one? Let me tell you. Prince Olisa cannot intimidate me in this kingdom. My father was the greatest hunter of this kingdom. He cannot intimidate me.
Let's go and walk.
Let's go. He says it's minor. He can't intimidate me. Every time you go with this, you go with that.
Ifijilakagi kotolowe butegolugo lologwa logi agwa
hello.
Afam.
Hello.
Afam, how are you?
No, I'm fine.
Afam. This one you are having your slippers on and you are moving with barefooted. I hope all is well.
No, all is well. I've been working at Mazudoye's farmland since morning. Then my slippers caught. I am looking for all this cobbler to repair my slippers. Are you going for palace meeting?
Afam. Because I'm even looking for you.
No, honestly, I'm very, very tired. I've been working since morning.
You have a lot of work to do for me in that my farmland.
You mean your farmland at Ozommiri side?
Bam!
No, let me do it tomorrow morning. Because I will go working now. I will do it first thing in the morning. No.
Afam, I'm very sorry. I needed to start planting something in that farmland tomorrow morning.
I'll start that job this evening. By tomorrow morning, I'll finish everything. Honestly.
Afam, I don't need stories.
I will not tell you stories now.
You know what happened? Let me come with you.
No.
So that you will not have any reason to disappoint me.
Oh, no, I will never disappoint you.
No, so no, I will not move around the community with empty pocket. Hey, let me hold you some.
Oh no, but you add some money for me. You know, the other time you gave me only 5,000, and that work is very big.
Afam, have we quarreled because of money?
No.
I will
I'll finish the job.
No problem. As soon as we are done, come to my house.
Oh, you think that?
Who is here? Afam. Who is there? Anybody home?
Who do I have here? Ugo?
Afam, greetings.
Greetings to you. You came to my house today.
Yes.
Gods of our land, I thank you. Ugo, let me get you a seat.
Oh no, don't worry. I don't want to sit.
I actually came to tell you thank you for the clothes you bought for me. My mother told me about it.
Ugo, that one is nothing. I wish I can do more for you.
Oh, no, don't say that. It means a whole lot for my family and I. Thank you so much, Afam.
It's okay, you're welcome. But I'm not really happy that you came to my house for the first time and you're standing. Let me get you a seat, please.
Afam, please don't bother. My mother sent me on an errand. I was on my way before I said, let me just come and say thank you to you.
It's okay.
Please, I have to go now.
Not even a hug. Please.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please take care of yourself, eh?
Thank you.
Come on, you hug me. Come and hug that fam. Am I dreaming? This is true. I will keep my hand like this.
Be fast now. Ugoma is already at the square.
Ma, please.
Hey.
Don't be angry, oh. My stomach.
Your stomach? Ah, see here. We need to start going.
Go. Let's go now.
Afam is seriously in love with Ugoma.
Hey.
Hey.
Ma. I thought you have something different to say this time. But remember, you and I knew that Afam truly loves Ugoma right from time. Or is there something you're saying?
Ngozi, we both suspected. But I confirmed it today when I went to Afam's house with Ugoma. You need to see how Afam was petting her, touching her, calling her sweet names. Ah, he was so all over her. Oh God.
Oloma.
I was jealous.
Oh. Oloma. You still haven't said anything. I heard you say you're jealous. Oh, you're jealous of your friend. Simply because Afam loves her. Hey! Ma, so if you should have your way, you go after her man.
Shut up! Ngozi!
Eh?
How dare you say that to me? I won't take it. I demand an apology from you. Don't you know these lips have ears?
Ma, I should be the one asking you this question. Eh?
So tomorrow, people will not say that I'm going after Ugoma's boyfriend, Sabi. I demand an apology from you.
I should be the one asking you that. Anyway, please, let's go. Let's go now. Oh, you're waiting for apology. I'm sorry. Please pardon me. Let's go.
Let's be careful.
I know.
Be careful how you talk to me. Be careful.
I'm sorry now. Let's go, Joe.
Don't you see how our maidens are? The way they are dancing. Eh? I never knew that our maidens could dance this well.
If they can dance like this on the day of the party, what will happen on the day of the event?
You didn't even know what I was saying. See, didn't you notice my Ugoma? Hi! That girl is so beautiful. Oh, yo, and the way she was dancing, eh? Like a gel of our time. And my heart was in me. I can't wait the day I will officially make her my wife.
But Afam, wait oh. What is still keeping you from taking your kinsmen to her parents? At least to do the needful now. So that you have full access to Ifida. You know what I mean now?
I know what you mean. But you know, until she give me a positive response. You know, Ugoma, she wants to take her time. And I don't want to rush her.
If she truly loves you, she will give you the response.
I mean, but she loves me. She will give me a positive response at appointed time. Eh? But you can go to if you put me there, I will dance more than all those girls.
Good day, my friend.
Good day, how are you?
You're fine, my friend. My prince, you're blessed having you talk to us today.
You're blessed. May God be with you.
Bye, my friends.
What is it? What was that rubbish you displayed before the face?
I didn't say anything I did though. I only greeted the prince and responded to all he asked me. So what's the problem?
Stop that. Do you think I'm a child? You were practically trying to seduce the prince. Mercy!
Hi! How did I even have you as a friend? A man is big enough to get married. Since the men are not coming, let's go after the men now. And you're here saying nonsense.
Mercy, are you talking to me?
I has left.
Hey! Mercy! Trying to seduce men will only make you look cheap in their eyes. Mercy, I will advise you as a friend.
Oh, please! Keep it to yourself. If you feel you don't want to get married, I, Mercy, want to get married. Please, excuse me.
Mercy, don't get back to me. Leave me alone. Mercy, it will make you look cheap in their eyes if you don't know. Oh, then take a step. Wait for God's appointed time.
The call of the gods, the reason for your existence, has finally come.
I am Ugoma. I am not a goddess.
You must know your true worth. For your tears brings forth fire. We shall meet again. Replica of the gods.
It's a dream.
I make sure the message gets to her. Oh, yeah, it's not so much. You must have not. Oh, here she comes. My mama. Beautiful lady. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Oh, no, you sent for me.
Oh, yes, I did.
Okay.
I hope you wouldn't mind.
I don't understand.
Stretch out your hands.
Stretch out.
Please. Oh, no, we asking. Please.
Hope there's no problem.
There's no problem at all.
Stretch out your hand. Please.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Oh,
You've been chosen by the royal home. Standing with us is the wife of our crown prince.
Onyoku Barisi Kane Unyoku. I can have one omenala anyị mere omenelu. Ọ dịghị impossible.
Oh no. Honestly, I don't understand. I wasn't informed. Nobody told me anything. Just like that.
Oh, tradition. Omenala anyị ka anyị. I can't have omenala anyị mere omenelu.
My daughter, you have to go home. Rejoice with your family while you can and proceed to royal home for the proper ceremonies.
Oh, yeah.
No way.
Oh, no.
Congratulations once again. We did as we
that doesn't want to remain. I don't want. Why are they forcing me? What kind of rubbish is this? How can they wear me this without my consent? In fact, I'll just no. You don't have to do it. It's an abomination. Even my parents told me this while I was small. Please, just go home and tell your mother. She'll know what to do. Please, my dear. It's an abomination. It's an abomination. Are they not supposed to let me know? Are they not supposed to inform me to know if it's what I want? So they have to wear me this without my own consent, without my knowledge. Let's go home first. Don't tell your mother.
You are my daughter, and I am your mother. I will never lie to you.
The royal bead has been worn on you before all the villagers and even me. That even if you say you don't want to marry the prince, nobody in this kingdom will ask for your hand in marriage. Nobody.
Mama, if you can see deep, you will understand that I feel nothing for the prince. I mean, how can I be with a man that I feel nothing for? Just how? His arrogance is something else. I can't even deal with it, Mama. I can't.
Goma, my friend, I understand how you feel. But please, see reasons with your mother. That royal bead you wore at the event has sealed you with royalty. Please.
Look, Ngozi, this is just a bead and he decided not to put it on.
Stop talking like a child. Please.
Goma, did you say this is just a bead?
Yes, Mama.
Adam, it is not just a bead. A lot lies in this bead that we do not know. Please, hold on to it one because. Oh? Yes.
Ogama, my sister, you'll be fine. I believe that the gods who make things happen this way have their reasons and you can't question.
Mama, I'll miss her. I want to go and spend some time with her.
It's okay, my daughter, you will go. But not today. Oh? Let her go first. Let her go to the palace first.
Goma, let's go. The guys are waiting for us. Come.
Sister, I will miss you.
Mama.
I pray. For me in that house. May the gods be with you in that house. May they open your heart to receive blessings. So with you. Let's go.
I'll miss you.
Mama. I am with you. You know what? I am there.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mama, she'll be fine. I will tell her mother.
The time has come for you to do that which you were destined to do. Follow me, for you do not belong here.
I can't come with you. I am already married to the crown prince.
Marriage was never your destiny, which is why you have no feelings for any man. Come, let me take you to your destiny. Come, Ugomma! Come! Come!
Your Highness. Greetings, Your Highness. Your Highness, Wabeze here stole from my trap.
Wabeze, is it true what he just said?
Your Highness, I'm sorry. Something came over me, Your Highness. I'm sorry.
In other words, you admit that you did it. So, if he was not able to catch you in the act, you would have made away with his loot. Now, take him to the palace cell.
Yes, Your Highness. Your Highness. Please, Your Highness.
Take him out. As for you, I will decide on your fate for exhibiting such laxity in your disposition. Shut up. Now get out.
Your Highness.
I said get out!
The anger of the gospel, the power where you dey use on a person giving you. Every day now for the thief, one day now for the owner. Ezo bodan, be careful. The gods are angry, the gods are angry.
You just have to be strong. If not for anything, for you, your friend. Losing Ugoma to the prince is not the end of the world.
Yes, it's not the end of the world. But why would the gods of our land allow what belongs to me to be taken by another? Why?
Just think. Think. If you and Ugoma were meant for each other, why didn't she accept you a long time ago? I know how long both of you have been in this together.
Dima, I wish you understand. Just look at me. I am so lifeless. Since Ugoma left my life has become so meaningless. So meaningless.
Greetings. Oh, how are you?
You're welcome.
Please, can we talk over there?
You want to see me?
Yes.
Uchendu, Dima, I'll be right back.
Look at you. I understand how you feel. It's so disheartening when people with influence take what belongs to others. But you see, it's not the end of the world. There are other beautiful maidens in this village that you can still pick from. There is still hope.
Hope, you said? Did I hear you say hope? Mama, you don't understand what your friend means to me. Ugoma is like my heart in human form. Look at me, I'm so lifeless without her.
I understand everything, Afam. You don't need to tell me, okay? But I blame Ugoma. I want her to leave the prince and focus on you, but she said no. She refused. See what she has done to you now. Oh, Afam. You need to cheer up, okay? Because Ugoma can never leave the palace for you again. Cheer up, okay?
What is the meaning of this? Cheer up, okay? And you're touching every part of my body.
I'm just cheering you up.
Is that why you came to my house?
Don't I watch
it? Because you're a poor. No,
can you imagine?
Yabolo!
Look at this guy.
I'll tell you, Chalo.
You are so ungrateful, Afam.
Yabolo!
Just look at you. Chama, let's go. I'm not pitying you and tell you to share off. Like, die there. Let's go.
I will never fall for you. Rubbish.
Uloma, you don't suffer. Chioma, why are you asking me this now? You know I'm angry. You see, whatever that happened back there is none of your business. You're a small girl. It's not good for children to interfere in adult matters. Do you hear me? So let's go.
But he's talking about Aunt Ugoma leaving him to marry the prince. Is it true?
Chioma, I just told you it's not good for children of your age to interfere in adult matters. And you're still asking me. See, whenever adults are talking, just do as if you didn't hear them. Do you hear me? It's not good. Promise me you won't do it again.
I won't do it again.
Good. Let's go.
Oh, I am tired. I must tell you the truth, I am not comfortable with this arrangement.
Oh no. No. This is what we have as our tradition. So you are the next after the Igwe. Oh no, you are the next in command. And His Majesty has given you the authority to go ahead.
I must tell you the truth, I am not comfortable. Do you know my problem? Our king is no longer what we expected. That is it.
Oh no, that one cannot go job. Huh? Well, I will not be around tomorrow. I'm going to my maternal home.
Hey!
No, I told you last week that my mother's brother died. And the burial is tomorrow. I have to be there. Aye! That's our land. Hello, mother. I will be there with you. I will accompany you. Oh. Huh? Oh. I will accompany you.
Honestly, I did not know that the king would react to it that way. But people always reported such cases to him.
How do you mean? Because I don't understand you. You do know that the king will react that way. And why are you sounding as if you are no longer aware of the wickedness being meted out to the people of this land by the king?
But since you collected the animal from him, why didn't you just let him go?
Oh,
now nobody knows what the king has in mind.
Exactly. See, you did the worst thing to this young man. Left for me, I would say you even killed him. That's what it's like.
Honestly, I regretted all my deeds. I will not forgive myself if the king takes any drastic actions.
I hope so. I just hope he doesn't.
I hope so too, Mama.
But for the king that I know, only because of this land I faced it.
Gods of our land! Today is the day of the cleansing. We have come to do as you instructed. As we go out for this cleansing, be with us. You never failed us before, and I know you will not fail. As we go with us, perfect this cleansing, and we shall continue to appease and worship you. Oh God, oh God,
You see, I don't want you to feel because your friend Ugoma got married to the prince. That is why I suddenly developed interest about you. Please don't feel like that.
Afan, you haven't said the reason you invited me here.
Yes. See, I've been monitoring and admiring you all this while. Among Ugoma's friends, you are the most decent. You are down to earth and hardworking. And these qualities attracted me to you. Honestly speaking, you are the kind of woman every man would love to have as a wife. And I am begging you to give me a chance in your life to make you the mother of my kids.
Afan, you are my friends.
But Ugoma is married to the prince. Please, accept me. Be the love of my life. And I promise I will never hurt you. I will always be there for you all the days of my life.
Afan, I heard what you said. But you have to give me some time to think about it.
Think about what, Tungo? Think about what? You have every right to give me the answer now. I don't want to give you any time to think about anything. Just say yes and make me a happy man. I am begging you on my knees.
No, you don't have to do that. Just give me a little time. I promise to give you a positive response.
When? When is soon? Tomorrow? I wish you can give me the answer tomorrow, please.
Afan, please. Let me run along, please.
Okay, if you insist. Let me see you off then.
Okay.
The gods must be smiling at us. We had a successful cleansing. Oh well.
Yes, you have done very well. We have to prepare heavily for this festival dance. And don't forget, it is coming up in a few market days.
Every preparations have been made according to the instruction.
Good. In that case, you have to go back to your families and get some rest.
Okay. Oh.
I'm even surprised. Do you know, I was expecting the king to pass judgment only on Wabeze. The king said I should go home, that he would think of what he would do to me. After I caught Wabeze stealing from my trap.
Chimo, the king actually said that to you?
Yes, now.
Hey, you see, whenever I say King Azubike, we used to know, it's no longer the same King Azubike that is ruling us now. People say I'm lying. Wait, how will you catch an offender of the law? Instead of the king to punish the offender, he's now reversing it, telling the owner of the trap that he will think of what to do to him.
How can you catch an offender and you send him to the palace? Listen, there are two things facing that young man. It's either he's being stoned to death or he's been banished from this kingdom. I don't just understand what people are doing.
That is not even the problem. That one should face its punishment. But it's my own that I'm talking about. Instead of the king who asked me to go, he turned to me and said, you, go home. I will think of what I will do to you. I will invite you back again.
Hey. Brothers, there is nothing anybody will tell me. The king is possessed.
Exactly. King Azubike is really possessed.
Listen, let me tell all of you this. If we are to speak ill of the palace, may I remind you that the Igwe have set spies everywhere. Don't forget, so many people are in the cell already.
Don't tell me that. What?
Does that stop us from saying the truth? Eh?
No, don't tell me that.
I'm convinced that this guy has business to do with the
Don't
king.
tell me that thing.
Please, Anayo, whatever is the Igwe's decision, let him take it. So long as this matter is concerned.
Igwe, sorry, I don't understand. See these people.
These people will not go and betray us. Because from the way these two people are acting, I don't understand.
You don't say anything since then concerning my proposal.
I tell you I'm going to give a positive response. I'm accepted.
You've accepted me? No, you have accepted to be my wife. Oh my God! Gomo! Gomo! Thank you for making me a proud man. And see, you're going to born me a Jima, you're going to born me a boy, a girl! Oh my God, baby, I love you so much.
I love you too. I love you very
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you. Now I am now a proud man. I can now call myself a man. Come, I'm taking you to my house. I have anything. I prepare you myself. Come on.
Your Majesty, what do I owe this visit?
Ezemo, I have come for us to work together. I want you to make me the most powerful king history will always remember in Omolo Kingdom. If only you can do that for me, I will forever be indebted to you.
Igwe, he who is destined for power, do not fight for it. Allow the gods to have their ways.
Ezemo, do you mean there is nothing you can do to help me? I want a situation where this whole kingdom will bow and panic at my roar.
I will not be a party to that. I will do the will of the gods only. Excuse me.
How are you? Well, let's go and cook. Let's go and cook.
The anger of the gospel, the anger of the gospel, the power where you they use on a person giving you. Every day now for the thief, one day now for the owner.
Papa, please be fast now. We are late. Okay. This is my prince.
Where's that food?
Afam, please come on. The prince is here.
The prince?
Yes. Hey, Afam.
Prince Olise, greetings. What a surprise visit. I hope everything is fine.
What happened to Afam? The prince and his guard came to Afam's house and took Afam away.
Just like that? Just like that? Hey!
Please, let's go.
Wow. Let's go where?
To the palace.
Ngozi, I'm going to somewhere very important now.
Hey.
I cannot go with you.
Hey.
Just go. But if there's any vital information, let me know.
Hey. So you don't want to follow me?
Be going now. I can be going.
Okay.
Be going.
Hey.
Nanya! Oh yeah, no, before the sun comes out, honey. Very good. Where is the other people?
Mama, this one can serve us. Let's go.
I'm going. Sun is out already. Greetings. Greetings. So what do I owe this visit?
Ma, we came to pick Ugoma with us to the palace.
Ugoma came. Did she tell the people that she was coming here? Because since she left my house for the palace, we have not set our eyes on her. I hope no evil has happened to my daughter.
I'm afraid you have to come with us to the palace.
Why must you come with you? Didn't you hear my mother? We have not set our eyes on her since you left for the palace.
Young man, we are working under the king's instruction.
So why don't go and keep the basket and the knife and oh, let me go with them. I'll come back.
Mama, should I come?
Okay, go to her. Just keep the pan and go. I'll come back and we'll still go to the house. Oh, keep watch over the house.
Mama, take care of yourself.
Mama, be careful.
Take Mama, take that one you can. Adaka.
Evil, evil, evil. Evil, evil, evil. Evil, evil, evil. Ndi nane bapa o, evil ndi nane bapa o. Ezo bodan ogini kaibelu. The anger of the gospel, the anger of the gospel. The power where you dey use on a person giving you.
Kenda, let me go with you now.
No. When you stay back, okay? Let me go. I'll come back.
I know, but I need to be there as well.
All of us can't leave this house. Let me go. I'll come back. I promise. When coming back, I'll come back with Mama.
But I need to be there.
Don't worry. I'll come back. Let me go. I'll come back with Mama.
Okay, but be careful though.
Igbo bodani yo, Igbo bodani. Weto no bikande mo happy bunuki yo. Ifi melutata nigeli kugwo yechi. Nekwa ni mulu nwoke ni mugbalu nwanyi. Ifi joni me madu menonu yo.
Where's Mama? Okay. You're almost done. Good girl. I'm coming. Let me get through. Mama, I'm back. Mama.
The gods are angry. They are fighting our battle. Like father, like his son. Like father, like his son.
Hey, I'm Kimberly. Chama. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where's your sister?
She's inside.
Okay.
Sister Aloma! Sister Aloma! Your friend is here to see you. My friend? Yes.
Hey, Mima. You're just coming now. Thank the gods that you're home. Why did you come here today? What happened? My sister. I finished very late. So how did it go?
Ma, do you know that the prince accused Afam of being responsible for Goma's disappearance?
Hey, I don't get. Are you telling me that Ugoma is no longer in the palace?
Exactly. Hey! He knows her whereabouts. The worst of it is that the poor Afam is suffering for what he knew nothing about. You need to see his body. Who's the soul over his body? Yeah?
Ngozika. Hey! Instead of you to be showing pity on Ugoma, who happens to be our closest friend, you are here pitying our farm who is still alive. Our friend Ugoma is missing. You should be crying for her.
Ma, I don't like the way you're talking. I don't like the way you're just sounding. Ugoma is my friend, yes. And that family is also my friend.
Yes, he's also your friend. You don't like the way I'm talking. Have you forgotten those days when you used to tell me that I'm jealous over Ugoma because men lost after her?
Ma, I don't like what you're saying. I'm not the one lusting after Afam. Afam is the one that came to me. Moreover, Ugoma, our friend, is married to the prince. I don't understand what you're saying.
That was how you switched to Afam.
You're making me look like a devil.
See, please. I don't even see your crocodile tears. We should be after looking for our friend who is missing. Do you understand?
I know. The gods will guide her.
You have water, I need water. Let me tell you, whatever we are doing now, let's find a way to meet our friends. That is the main thing now. See what I'm thirsty. Go and take water now.
Woman, I know that this hooligan here must have been bribing you with little animals he catches every day. And that has made both of you to connive against the royal family by hiding the wife of the crown prince of this kingdom, Ugoma. For good reasons, I will pardon all of you if you bring back Ugoma to this palace immediately. But if you choose to stand your ground by saying that you don't know where she is, I will proceed with whatever judgment I wish.
Your Majesty, hey, of what importance is it to me from denying my daughter of her marriage? But no. Since she left my house to this palace, I've not set my eyes on her. No, Basi, I've not seen her. Yes, I was planning on coming to check up on her someday. Not until your guards came to my house and told me that my daughter was missing and that my presence is required at the palace by His Majesty. Hence I came. I didn't know that any other thing. And I'm able.
Your Majesty, I have no idea where my sister is. Mama, my mother here have told you the truth and nothing but the truth.
Please, can I go and search for my daughter?
And you, I have received news how you went around challenging my son, the crown prince of this kingdom, over the same maiden, knowing fully well that she has been married to the crown prince. I will have a message for you to take back to your father when I'm done with you.
Your Majesty have no reason to fight over a maiden with a crown prince, let alone his wife. I kneel before you as the true son of the land, the son of late Ndukwe, the great hunter. I swear by the gods, I know nothing about Ugoma's disappearance. Honestly, Your Majesty, I knew nothing about it.
The choice is yours. And you, Ikenna, you are the true son of his father. The choice is yours. You have the knife and you have the yam. Tell the royal family where your sister is hiding. Else, whatever you see, you will get.
Your Majesty, please handle this to care.
Oh, Your Majesty, my son does not need it.
Your Majesty,
I am a road, please. My son.
Only time will tell.
Your Majesty.
No, Your Majesty, please take my life. Take my head and spare my son because.
I dare you, Azubike. You have beaten more than you can chew. I dare you.
How dare you speak to me in that manner? I am the king!
Not anymore. You became less of a king right from the day you deviated from the purpose for which the gods called you. The kingdom bows to you, not knowing that you're empty and so evil. Azubike, the kingdom is yet to know why you murdered the Ezemo simply because it cautioned you.
Guards!
Yes, Your Highness.
What are you waiting for?
Wait. Your Highness, is she saying the truth?
Who is she to speak to a king like that? Who made her a priestess?
The gods did. Do you remember Ugebe, the goddess of the forest? Do you also remember what she told you?
What brings you here?
Ugebe, I have come to ask for a favor from you.
The power you seek is not worth fighting for. And your ability to rule the kingdom does not and shouldn't depend on extra powers from elsewhere. By whatever means, let God guide you.
Do this favor for me and I will forever be grateful.
What you demand is huge. But if you must be powerful as you want, you may end up in a bad way. And it will ridicule you before the whole kingdom. Now let me make it clear to you. You will enjoy your reign with the power you ask for. But it will fade away someday when the maiden goddess arises.
Okay, well, just give me the powers. When I get to the bridge, I will find a way.
The one.
So you are the maiden. You can't be.
You should have known that a day like this would come. Afam, Ikenna, rise, for you have done nothing to deserve this humiliation.
How dare you defy my order? How dare you?
His body will be buried in the evil forest. A new king will be crowned after 4 market days. You all can retire to your homes. Ikenna, take good care of Mama. Ugo, what happened to you? I now belong to the gods. And I'll continue to do that which I am asked to do. I'll come check on you from time to time.
Oh no! Igwe! Igwe!
Your Highness!
Igwe!
Your Highness!
Oh no!
Your Highness!